Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Save the Princess by Gloomy Cottage. In their code, we see if-then blocks for jumping, when arrow pressed blocks for the movement, and when actor collides blocks for the enemies. Fight through the enemies to save the princess. Next up we have WispHerd by Youthful Bobcat. In the code, we can see when I receive blocks, hide blocks, switch costume blocks, and point and direction blocks too. Gather the pellets and sell them to advance in this game. Here we have Asteroid Belt Maneuver by Burly Swing. In the code, we see set rotation style blocks, forever blocks, create clone of blocks, and change Y or X by X amount of pixels blocks. Seems like the captain has taken a detour through an asteroid belt, so you have to avoid the asteroids to make it home safely. Lastly, we have Flocking Simulation by A Literal Potato. In this awesome text coding project, this user created a simulation of birds flocking using text code. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.